Yes, can I help you?
Yes, can I have I'm an elevator enthusiast. Is it okay if someone can take me a ride up to the top floor and back down here? Because this thing looks beautiful. I know it's an unusual thing though, but I'm an elevator buff and I love to take a video of this if that's okay. If you're okay with that. Thank you. Wow. This is at 2 Charles Street. Thank you, sir.
2 College, yeah.
Oh, 2 College. Oh, it's manually controlled too. Nice. Beautiful.
Since 1891.
1891.
It is, yeah.
Beautiful. Wow. I'm surprised nobody has filmed this one yet on YouTube. Crazy. All I just see is one right up and back down. 3rd floor, nice. Beautiful. Manually controlled and everything. Completely original. I really appreciate your help. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yep. Capacity is 2,000 pounds. OTIS-Fensom. You sure have a great day. Thank you so much and God bless. Thank you. Have a great day. All right. 1892, wow.